Here we have our value line 20 inch diameter by quarter wall grill on our website at gatorpit.net. Again, this is our value line grill. You'll see it at gatorpit.net. Info's right there. You've got a wide cut single door, obviously, on this smaller backyard charcoal type grill, wood fired grill. This one has the front shelf, the split lower rack that's reinforced with flat bar, keeps it from sagging. It's in two pieces, makes it easy to remove. And then you got a half top rack added to it here. Your adjustable stack with Gator Pit badging, your 1/4 inch thick door, 1/4 inch thick pipe, your side access door with adjustable vent there, stainless steel cool touch handles, and your 1/4 inch thick, reinforced with 1/4 inch thick flat bar. Again, to support it, keep it up off the belly, and also prevents it from sagging under heat as well. There's a lip here to keep your ash from coming out. Lower angle framed wheelbase. Nice clean welds and fit and finish. Beautiful welds. 1/2 inch push pull bar. Move it around. Base plate on here. You can often add swivel casters to it if you like. Closing it up here. Gator gauge. Goes from 100 to 550 with colored temperature ranges. Stainless steel cool touch handle. And you get the quality of Gator Pit. Our heavy duty hinges, fully flanged, welded doors on all 4 sides for a nice tight seal. And again, that usable front shelf. This is our value line grill, 20 diameter, 1/4 inch wall. And you can customize them to different lengths if you like. You'll see the base model on the website at gatorpit.net. And if you want to make it longer, you can make it longer. If you want to go longer with a 2-door version, you can do that as well, but you'll need to call me. This can be ordered online at gatorpit.net. You can order any of our standard models with customizations that are popular amongst our customers over 30 years of business online at gatorpit.net. Quick and easy. Click the pit you want and the features you want. It will total up your price. And there you go. Buy it online. Rich Robin, gatorpit.net. See ya.